Hey there guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So here at Hanalogs, my dear husband is cooking for us our home special, very flavorful chicken biryani upon my special request. So if you're interested, then please stick around. So I dearly requested my husband to volunteer for the special biryani episode and he reluctantly agreed. But when I asked him to join me for the voiceover, he said, no, not happening bro. So yeah, while His Highness is doing all the cooking, I will be doing the talking. So we have taken about 1 kg of rice, thoroughly washed it till the water ran clear, and now we are soaking it in about 2 liters of water and keeping it aside for about an hour. And now let's start marinating our chicken. So we've taken about 2 medium-sized onions and we have sliced and fried them till they became nicely brown and crispy, more than half of which we're using for the marinade and the rest we're going to keep aside for garnish. For the written recipe, please do check out the description box below. So while my husband is doing all the main work, I quickly sneaked in to make some raita. Yes, adding milk to your raita really elevates the flavor, so do try it. Okay, so we've soaked our rice, we've marinated the chicken, and we're also done with our raita. So let's get started with the cooking. Let's get the water for cooking our rice ready. The first thing that we're doing here is adding whole spices to hot oil. This is because oil helps in releasing all the flavors of the spice really beautifully. So try this method before putting your spices directly into water. So even though this was a really endearing experience to work with my husband, but it was really difficult for him to work in this tight setting as he kept dashing into things and dropping things, and I was constantly arranging and rearranging stuff behind the scenes. So yeah, if you're interested to watch the bloopers, then do watch this video till the end. It is extremely important to pour a generous amount of water in the vessel when you want to cook your rice so that the rice gets enough room to play around and get fluffed up. It is important to note that this water should taste saltier than your usual preference. This ensures the right kind of saltiness when you strain all the water out. After giving it about 10 minutes, the rice has partially cooked, nearly about 30%. We're gonna go and strain it immediately without wasting any more time and come back to you in a jiffy. Yay! So now it's time to start layering up. We are adding 2 more tablespoons of oil around the chicken. Please note we are using the same oil that we had fried our onions in. So it is important to drop the rice very light-handedly so that you don't pack the rice completely and leave enough room for the steam to rise up. And repeat. Repeat. So we are adding some saffron infused milk, a sprinkle of yellow food color and a red food color as well. This is really optional because just our personal preference. We really love the little grains of red that pop up in our biryani. Also going in with some ghee. Now we're gonna give it about 30 minutes, 10 minutes on high heat and rest of the 20 on low heat. I also went ahead and covered the vessel with aluminum foil so that the steam is well captured inside. This really ensures better cooking. And voila, it's done. Our chicken biryani is ready to relish. And voila, our little home treat is ready. Whoa, whoever loves that sear on the chicken, say I in the comment section. So we made this biryani about a month ago and I really didn't have the time to edit. So if you're making this on Eid, then please do add some hard-boiled eggs and some fried cashews too. And yeah, from all of us at Hanalogs, Eid Mubarak to you all in advance. So that's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. Consider subscribing to my channel. Until I see you next time, I hope you stay safe. Bye!